Hello friends, welcome to New Crochet and Collections. My name is Dorothy and welcome to the episode of making a hair scrunchie, which is beautiful and floral. So let's dive into the tutorial. We are going to use this hair tie. I'm going to use a 4mm hook, 4.0mm hook, and a fingering yarn. It's a thin yarn and I'm going to use one strand. I'm not going to double the strand. It's a robin yarn. So let's get started. For this round we are going to tie the yarn around this hair tie. You can tie it whatever way you do. You can tie it however you do it. Make sure it is secure. Then for first round we are going to do single crochets. So we are going to do single crochets all around, but please make sure that they are not so tight to deform our hair tie. So we are going to do single crochets all around. For the newcomers, this is how we do a single crochet. You tie into the hair tie, then you grab your yarn over, and you pull through. Again, pass through your hook, grab your yarn over, and you pull through. One more time, yarn over, grab your yarn over, and pull through. One more time, the last one for the beginners. Just go through your hair tie inside, come back outside, grab your yarn and pull through. So we are going to do like this all around our hair tie. Then I will come back to show you the next step. So continue with your single crochets all around. Let's meet when you're done with the single crochets all around. Make sure the stitches are as tucked together as possible, because we don't want this hair tie to be so much visible. So make sure they are stuck together, but still make sure you don't deform our hair. Don't compact them a lot, but make sure they are intact as possible. So let me get you here. Sorry. So I'm done with single crochets all around. Now we are going to slip stitch. Okay, we are going to chain one. In that very stitch we are going to do single crochet, chain 3, in the next stitch single crochet, chain 3, So for this round, we are going to single crochet with a chain 3 in every stitch. So chain 3, single in the next stitch, single crochet, chain 3. So that is how our round is going. You go into the next single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. Go all around in every stitch with single crochet, chain 3 all around, and we shall meet after this round. So we are done with so we are done with this round. So let's do another next round. We are going to chain 1, and we got this in the middle. In the middle, you do a single crochet, then we are going to do 4 double crochets. Actually, in the middle of in these chain stitches, we are going to do 3 double crochet. So those are 2. Now the third, and we chain 1 into the very stitch where we were. You add more 3. So that's how we are going to do. You jump into the next, in the next chain, do the same. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 1 into the same, add more 3, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to do like this for the 4 sets. Okay, so these are 2. Now into the next chain, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. So these are 1, 2, 3. We are going to a 4th set. You jump into the chain again. You do 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to do like this for this round. So you are going to jump into this, do a set of 3, chain 1, again into the same, you do another set of 3 like that until we reach here. Let me find you when you are here. So this kind of, see this kind of cutie that we have. Okay, so we are going to do another round. We are going to chain 3, and we are going to do just 1 double crochet in every stitch. Okay, put 1 double crochet in every stitch. When you reach on where we put a chain, put a double crochet. So this round is going to be for double crochets only. So do 1 double crochet in each stitch all around. And I'm afraid I might finish a bit late, so I'm going to show us our final round. So go ahead and finish up this round of double crochets, and after doing this round of double crochets, you are going to chain 1 like this. So just assume you have finished. You are going to chain to slip stitch. Have finished your round, slip stitch to close the round, then chain 1, and you're going to do a single crochet like this. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those who are using single strand, that's thin yarn, you can do chain 5. Then you skip a stitch, you go to the next stitch and do a single crochet, then chain 5. Those who are using a DK yarn, you can do chain 3, skip a stitch, do a single crochet. So the final round is like this: skip a stitch, do a single crochet. Continue like doing a single crochet with 5 chain 5 until you finish the whole round. Then cut off your yarn and weave in the ends, and that is it for our scrunchie. Let me come back when I'm done with my final scrunchie.